The upgrades definitely worked as expected. Mercedes are the best team on the grid.
Neymar was in Monaco last weekend. He also crashed.
Flashback.
I met him,
Yeah.
2 times in 2 weeks. Crazy.
Fernando Alonso.
Say my name. Goddamn right.
Carlos Sainz has a red and yellow lid.
And it confirms the worst. Somehow Palpatine returned.
Verstappen also felt some buffeting. Esteban Ocon losing a bit of carbon fibre.
Carbon fiber.
This is fine.
Really, really great session.
What's our big ticket item? Upgrades, people.
Of upgrades to Barcelona, including Red Bull, Aston Martin, Mercedes and Ferrari.
Why be you when you can be new?
This is what we were hoping for.
The defending champ seemed pretty comfortable in the cockpit.
Someone's phone is going. Is that helmets?
No! This is Patrick!
Why do you care so much about a car? It's just metal.
Carbon fiber.
Goddamn right.
Logan Sargent was hitting the barriers.
Ronaldo! Sweet!
Pierre Gasly was another taking to the stones.
So that puts a smile on my face today.
Excuse me, sir,
Yes.
but what would happen if, for some reason, we ignore somebody unlocked 100% of the cerebral capacity?
100%?
Yes?
Stroll had a spot of bother at turn 5.
We're gonna box. Why?
We have technology. I have no idea.
You can watch the highlights by pressing the red button.
Okay, Mr. Essay. I say, prepare to be written.
Fernando Alonso through the gravel. Yuki Tsunoda.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
Yeah.
Yeah. In some of these. In some of these. Almost there and done. Now let's see how it looks so far. The time.
What am I doing wrong there?
I don't know what I'm doing!
We are out, right? Unbelievable.
Oh, Perez with a moment to send him into the gravel once again.
Here I come. Oh, here I come.
Traditions.
Power of the dark side.
It's Verstappen completing a lap. So 1:12. Lewis Hamilton go P2. Fernando Alonso moves up to 4th. Stroll goes up to P3. Lando Norris good enough for 3rd.
You are Huh? What? Still? Interesting.
And Formula One is racing for the Spanish Grand Prix. It's going to be even. Holding the inside.
Oh, hell no!
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Disaster for Lando Norris.
Carbon fiber.
Meanwhile,
That is Perez making light work. The late move. George Russell takes the place. Mercedes on the attack. Pull out of the slipstream. say goodbye to Fernando Alonso. Hamilton pulling out of the slipstream, but Hamilton forces his way by. Another move for Perez as he gets past Ocon. Russell to the inside lane. Perez with a late lunge. Hamilton now in the wheel tracks against Carlos Sainz. He is going to make easy work. The Red Bull goes through. He's got the inside lane. That's a superb move on the way through.
Did anyone know for port in rain? I think it's sweat from the inside of my helmet.
I'm a high performance athlete. Athletes sweat. Sweat, baby. Sweat, sweat.
The Dutch driver will see the checkered flag first. Round the final corner for the final time. Max Verstappen wins the Spanish Grand Prix. And it's win number